Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Empowering Finance with Technology. My name is Arnab Datta. The let function in Excel is a powerful tool that brings programming like efficiency into your formulas. Instead of repeating the same calculations multiple times, let allows you to assign names to values as expressions just like variables and reuse them within a formula. This makes your formulas not only shorter and faster but also much easier to understand. In this video, we shall start by calculating gross profit and gross profit percentage using the traditional method. Then we shall see how the let function simplifies the same calculation, making them more structured and readable, even for non-finance users. By the end, you will understand how to use let to write cleaner, smarter, and more efficient Excel formulas.
Let function in Excel. The let function allows you to assign names to calculation results, like variables in programming. Reuse those names in your formula instead of repeating the same calculation. And make formulas shorter, faster, and easier to read. Syntax. Let, name 1, value 1, name 2, value 2, calculation. Name 1, name 2, variable names you define. Value 1, value 2, the values or formulas assigned to those names. Calculation, the final formula that uses those names. We have sales and cost of sales data for 12 months. First, we shall find out the gross profit and gross profit percent in the traditional way. Go to B4. Input the formula B2 minus B3. Copy the formula to cell C4 to M4. We have gross profit for all 12 months. Go to B5. Input the formula B4 divided by B2. Copy the formula to cell C5 to M5. We have the gross profit percentage for all 12 months. This was the traditional way of computing gross profit and gross profit percent. Now we shall use let function to calculate the gross profit and gross profit percent. Using let function allows non-finance persons to clearly understand the formula. Go to B4. Input the formula as shown on the screen. Let me explain the formula. Sales is the name of the variable. B2 to M2 are the values of the variable. COGS is the name of the other variable. B3 to M3 are values of the variable COGS. Sales minus COGS is the calculation of gross profit. We have the formula inputted in cell B4, and as it is a dynamic array, the results are spilled over from C4 to M4. No old-fashioned dragging of formula. Please observe the gross profit percentage formula. Sales is the name of the first variable. B2 to M2 are the values of variable sales. GP is the name of the second variable. B4 hashtag is the value of the second variable. Since B4 is a dynamic array, it is represented as B4 hashtag. GP divided by sales is the gross profit percentage. Go to B5. Input the formula as shown on the screen. The gross profit percentage for all the months are displayed.
Is the list of my social media accounts. Feel free to connect with me. If you find the video useful to you, please click like. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification as soon a new video is uploaded. Feel free to leave your comments to improve my channel.